All right, moving on to our third startup here. These people are really fond of doodling and scribbling because the name of their company is Scribble Data. Yes, there's no escaping my bad jokes here. You're stuck. All right, I'm Ankit and you are?
Hi, my name's Indra.
Venkat.
Indra and Venkat. Talk to us about Scribble Data. What exactly does it do?
Happy to. So, we are a data preparation company. What that means is companies have troves of data, and before they can actually take intelligent decisions based on that data, some of that data sometimes is meaningless, and you have to transform it in very complex and often error-prone ways. Our platform, without any pixie dust, puts guardrails to be able to do that in a sort of accelerated and yet robust and reliable way.
So you cut down the go-to-market time basically for clients.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. At the end of the day, ROI is very, very important. So when people want to take decisions, they're spending time on teams churning and waiting for data to be available to them, expensive data scientists, large teams. We sort of make this entire process very streamlined so that you get to time to market much faster.
That's amazing. How do you all split time between working on the technology versus working in it? How is that kind of time split between strategic and tactical tasks on an everyday basis?
I think it's a continuous challenge, but you have to be able to think at multiple levels. It's not just if you think in terms of time frames, like everything from 1 day to like 10 years. You have to be able to scale across time frames, scale across complexities of the technology, the speeds of changes, and so on. I think one of the big challenges in being in AI, ML, all these fancy spaces is the world is changing so fast that you need to have the agility, mental agility, and the second one is your ability to develop new worldviews, because a lot of the assumptions that we made at the beginning were not true. Every day we keep revisiting all of them. So ability to keep an open mind and ability to make sense out of the world is really critical for what we do.
What are you most pumped about in your sector over the next couple of years?
I think I'd say that people falling off the hype wagon of ML and making things very realistic. I think that's been a correction that's driven by so many factors, whether it's the pandemic, whether it is the market contraction over the last little while, whether it is the overhyping of technology as being the holy grail of where you need to go versus what business outcomes are. So I think realism is what I'm really excited about.
That's amazing. Realism and AI and ML.